Hello and welcome to this Millennial review, where today we're going to be taking a look at a new set of calipers that I've just picked up for well under $20 on Amazon. Now, the brand name for these, I'm not sure if I can pronounce right, but let's call it Jarvey. And these are pretty neat because they're a full set of calipers that should be fairly accurate and, of course, digital for under $20, or in fact, quite a bit under $20. So, as far as these things are concerned, I will have a link down in the description below if you want to set for your own. But here is the instruction manuals that come with them. Now, if you've used a set of calipers or verniers like this, you won't need too much in the way of instruction, but they do claim that they're going to be within plus or minus 0.1 millimeter, which for standard home use will be enough. It comes with batteries, it looks like. We do have a small screwdriver. Must need this to install the batteries, a little silica packet. But one of the reasons that I wanted this over most of the others that were out there is the vernier itself, although it looks pretty nice, also comes in a very decent plastic case. My old pair became less and less accurate over time, and I think that was because it didn't have a nice blow molded case to hold it. So looking at it here, we've got our caliper. It looks like it comes with batteries already installed. So this is just a spare set. And then, of course, the screwdriver right there to be able to get to the batteries itself. Now, if we put those things aside, a couple of things to look at here. And the screen is going to show your inches. Will also have inch and fraction, just like that, 5/8. And then we do have millimeter measurement too, so you can get a nice accurate measurement, along with on the scale, we've got measurement also. So nice to see there. You can do a internal or an external measurement, and all of this stuff allows you to adjust it along the fly. Now, you will have noticed that little knob up top. It's got this little nut there. So if I wanted to, say, hold this out at, half inch, I'm going to move it back half inch. Got this little wheel, be able to adjust it. Go, tighten down on the nut up top. Cements where your slider is. So you're able to test things out. Is this going to be half inch? No, it's obviously smaller. And keep that measurement, or be able to go size between different items. So anyways, I'll loosen that up. It does slide together, and I love that it comes right to zero, pretty accurate. Now, to measure a couple of things up, we'll take this bolt here, this 10.9 bolt, the caliper bolt from an older Mercedes. We'll notice that that's 45/64, and this should measure out to roughly 18 millimeters. Yeah, it takes an 18 millimeter socket to 17.85, 84, depending on how hard we press. And then the overall length we can measure out like this at just about 35 millimeters. Try it again on this lug nut, or lug bolt, I should say. It's going to be 17 up top, or it should be. Yep, uses a 17 millimeter socket. And then for length, this bad Larry is coming in at just under 40 millimeters, just under 38. So that's a look at this set of verniers here from the Jiavarry, or however you might pronounce it, name. Of course, you can zero it out, turn it on and off, and I'll toss it off, put our little screwdriver back in for batteries, click that back into place, and there we go. We've got a pretty nice set of verniers that not bad for well under $20. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts. If you want a pair of these verniers, definitely use the link down in the description below. It helps me and doesn't cost you anything. I'll see you in the next video.